Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another spotlight for you guys. We got a 2017 Chevy 1500 sitting on 7-inch lifts, 20 by 10s and 35s. Let's check it out. The negative 81 is...
Oh my God.
All right, guys, so now before we actually do our walk around, just a heads up, we are doing another giveaway. All you guys gotta do is pick up one of these hoodies or t-shirt, and you're actually gonna get entered to win a full build in a legit full build giveaway. We're talking TIS wheels, Toyo tires, BDS suspension, a Road Armor front bumper, and a rock light kit from Black Label Lighting. So if you guys are interested in that, customoffsets.com/giveaway. Let's hop into this walk around. So on the Silverado, in order to fit this wheel and tire package on here, we had to lift the truck up quite a bit. So he actually went with the 7-inch rough country lift, and how he achieved this lift was with a 7-inch strut spacer up top. So now he's got his 7 inches of lift, and we're able to stuff in the 20 by 10, negative 24 TIS 544s in the black and milled, wrapped in the Kenda Cleaver RTs in a 35 12.5 R20. So 12.5 inch wide tire sitting on a 10-inch wide wheel. He's got his protection all the way around, and that is how he achieved it. We were able to slice off a little bit of the valance in order for him to fit this package, even with 7 inches of lift, because, well, Chevy 1500. So other than that, he's got some tint to match on the front windows to match the rear windows, and then in the rear, he just has his N3 shocks and the block in the rear, and that's pretty much it. This is a solid start to a build. 7-inch big lift. He's got the wheels, he's got the tires, and once again, just a solid start. If you guys want to start your build today, customoffsets.com. We got wheels, tires, suspension, accessories. We'll see you guys in the next one.